don't buy now, wait and then buy, right? That's what people say, but it's the opposite. Buy and then wait. The best moment to buy is always now. If it fits your budget, if you can get the financing, buy it. Oh, but I'm gonna wait and see if the prices are gonna go down or if the interest rates are gonna get better. No, wrong. The real estate market does not wait for you. Every move you don't make is a missed opportunity that you will never, ever get back. What you do is you buy and then you wait, not the other way around. In my 14 years of real estate career, do you know how many clients I have that regretted buying? Zero clients regretted buying. You know how many regret not buying because they were waiting for the prices to drop, for the interest rates to go down, or for whatever other circumstance to change? All of them regretted not buying. Every single client that missed an opportunity to buy because they were waiting for some external factor that was out of their control to happen, absolutely regret their decision of not buying. Always. The time to buy is always now.